Alright everyone, today the weather is pretty bad, so instead of doing a lot of riding, we're going to install a winch on the 2020 Honda Rubicon. We're going to use a winch plate from KFI and the Badland Winch 3,500 pound from Harbor Freight. Alright, let's unbox the winch and the mounting plate.
Instructions. So it has the remote. Is that the plate you're talking about?
It says already comes with a plate. I'm not sure it's the right one for the Honda or not.
No, it won't fit. Spool. Hardware. Toggle. More cardboard. We've got our solenoid. Our relay. Fuse things. This is our handlebar switch. I'm glad it came with that.
It has a handlebar switch and then it also has the remote.
So I'll run the remote in the box. I'll show you that. And then our electrical wire. And then the winch. Instructions, hardware, and a shiny new plate.
Alright, so there's the KFI plate and the Badland Winch. Alright, so first step was to remove the bumper. There's a few screws, bolts on either side. But now with that removed, we're ready to move on to the next step. Alright, so we finished up the install of the winch from Harbor Freight and using the KFI mount. You do have to trim a little bit of the plastic right here to fit it in properly. Also during the install, we're removing just a few of the screws, taking the bumper off completely, and then it does help. You have to take off one of the screws from underneath the skid plate here to be able to get the winch and bumper on. Makes it a lot easier. So remove that screw from the center underneath. We mounted the solenoid up there on the inside and then ran the wires up through. It's actually pretty clean. And to the toggle switch up here, just following it down, and then the rest of the wiring running along the back, zip tied into the frame here. And then you do have to punch a hole. You can see that right by that silver back there. Punch a hole in to the battery box right there to run all the cables. So really came out well. So this winch is has a pretty good speed to it, faster than the winch that we have on our Polaris General. Now go in. It does have the free spool capability on the side. So you just turn this dial here and then you can pull it out quickly and obviously engage it to start winching. But that's a nice feature. So look forward to using this winch. Hope we don't get stuck too much, but if we do, we can get ourselves out or help other people get out. Thanks for watching.